Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is my wife's 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. I bought it at the auction, it was wrecked. Now we're at Metal Mike's shop. The car is on the frame machine because of this frame rail. It's bent, it's twisted, all kinds of fun stuff. And also this apron here needs some work as well. When I first bought the car, I was under the impression that this is a steel hood. Turns out it's aluminum, so we definitely need to get this thing fixed. Metal Mike said he got it. He's gonna get it knocked out. Also, we're gonna do some painting today. This is a triple stage diamond pearl white, something like that. So that should be fun and a learning process for all of us, I suppose. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna strap this SUV to the frame machine so we could start pulling. Well, that was some interesting framework. The chains popped off a couple times, but it's all right. We're all safe. We're all good. The frame rail is not perfect just yet because we need to mount the radiator core support and the crash bar to see how much more we need to go. We don't want to overpull and then overcorrect. That's not good for metal. We also got the headlights in. We're going to take off the old ballasts and mount them onto the new headlights and check if these headlights work. Headlights are complete and ready to be mounted. Everything looks to be in working order. And Another way that I save money, thought I'd share this with you guys. These headlights are about $1,200 at the dealership, but I buy them on eBay, and these companies have become so good at repairing these headlights that you can't see any damage, but I'll show it to you. Here on this headlight, on the very bottom, there was a broken tab, and as you can see right there, it was repaired, and it's perfect. And this headlight here, this is the driver's side, I bought it for $213. That one was $250, I believe. So that's another way to save money whenever you're rebuilding cars. Let's mount these up and let's see how they work. Frame rail is pulled out. It's looking pretty darn good. The headlights are on, but we do have an issue. The driver's side is kind of working, and I'll show you why it's kind of working. Passenger side is dead, and I am getting a code for a short to ground. Let me show you here. So the scan tool is telling me that there's a short to ground somewhere, so I definitely need to find it. But the funny part is this: whenever I turn the turn signal to the right, I don't know if you could see that, but it's blinking to the right. In the rear, it's working fine, right? Check out the front. I think this is something with Mercedes wiring, and maybe I flip-flopped the modules. Check this out. It's blinking to the left. So got something going on here. We'll figure it out. All right, let's get this hood knocked out. The hood came out pretty awesome. Check this out. It looks pretty good. There's still some work to go. When we were pulling on it, there was a dent here that popped out, which is kind of cool. We did develop a crack, and I was just gonna throw some fiberglass on it just to irritate you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it right and take it to a shop where there's a TIG machine, because that's how you could weld this aluminum. Underside looks good as well. Just this crack there that needs to get fixed. All right, let's take this sucker off and get it welded. Made it to K&K Welding and Fabricating. Hood is about to get welded. Let's see how this goes. All right, hood is done. It's welded. It's looking really good. I really wanted to paint and do body work today, but unfortunately we ran out of time. We're gonna do that next week. Jesus, thank you so much.
No problem, anytime.
I appreciate it. K&K Welding here in Austin. Awesome people. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.